In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert PDF file in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025 step by step. We'll start by preparing your PDF. Open Google Docs in your browser and locate the document you want to include in your PowerPoint. Open that file so it's active on your screen. Now in the top left corner, click File, hover over Download, and choose PDF Document. Your document will be saved as a .pdf. Take a second to note where it's saved on your computer. Your Downloads folder is common, so you can find it easily in the next steps. Next, switch over to Microsoft PowerPoint and open the presentation you'll be working on. If you haven't created one yet, you can start a new presentation and add a title or any content you need. Click the specific slide where you want the PDF to appear. This ensures PowerPoint places the object exactly where you intend. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top, then choose Object. This opens a dialog box that lets you bring outside content into your slide. Select Create from File. This option embeds or links an existing file rather than creating a new one from scratch. In the same dialog, click Browse, navigate to the PDF you just saved, select it, and click Open. Back in the dialog, click OK to place the PDF on your slide. If you prefer a small clickable icon instead of a full preview, you can enable Display as Icon before clicking OK. You can also choose to link rather than embed, which keeps your PowerPoint file smaller but requires access to the original PDF location. Once the PDF appears on your slide, resize and position it to fit your layout. Drag the corner handles to scale it proportionally and avoid stretching the content. You can align it with other elements using PowerPoint's Smart Guides or the Align tools on the ribbon for a clean, consistent look. To preview the PDF's contents, double-click the object. PowerPoint will open it in your default PDF viewer so you can scroll through the pages. During a slideshow, this works the same way. Double-click to open, then close the viewer to return to your slide deck. If you plan to present on another computer, consider embedding the file instead of linking, or bring the PDF along in the same folder as your presentation. That's all there is to it. You exported your document as a PDF, inserted it into PowerPoint as an object, placed it on the right slide, resized it neatly, and learned how to open it during your presentation. Don't forget to save your PowerPoint so your changes stick.